This is Mummy Pig, and this is Peppa Pig. Paper aeroplane.
Daddy Pig is Daddy Pig getting ready to go to...
Daddy Pig?
Good. That's all the papers I need.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Happiness.
Mummy, can we make something?
Nope.
What would you like to make?
Dice.
What would you like to make?
Dice.
What would you like to make?
Dinosaur. Oh, George, you always say dinosaur for everything.
Let's make
Dinosaur.
George likes...
Dinosaur. Can we make an...
No.
Can we make an aeroplane that flies?
Yes. All we need is...
No!
All we need is...
Make a pretty cake.
No!
All we need is...
No!
All we need is...
You're so... No!
All we need is...
No!
All we need is... some paper.
We know where there's paper.
There is lots of old paper in the workroom.
You're now watching a Roscoe video inside of a Roscoe video. I just hope this awesomeness does not rip a hole in the space-time continuum, causing all life as we know it to be sucked into... Oh dang.
Mummy Pig is going to...
Brazil!
make a paper...
Brazil!
Fold the paper down the middle. Fold the corners, fold those corners, fold the sides back, then fold those corners, fold the corners, fold the paper down the middle. Fold the sides back, then fold those corners, fold those corners, fold the corners, fold the sides back, then fold those corners, fold the corners, fold the corners, fold the corners, fold the corners. Let's see if they can see it. Ready, steady, go!
Ooh.
Die!
My turn. Whee! Your turn, George. Whee!
George's aeroplane is doing a loop-the-loop, the loop, the loop. And has landed in the duck.
Let's make a big aeroplane. Daddy Pig,
Shouldn't you be at work?
You watch how you speak to me, woman.
we're making aeroplanes.
You need someone
Morbidly obese.
to throw it.
The big blue aeroplane is very big and very blue and very stupid.
It just keeps on going.
To Brazil!
I need to find my important work papers. Has anyone seen any pieces of paper?
Is this one of your important papers?
No.
Is this one of your important papers?
No.
Thank you, Mrs. Duck. The only paper I'm missing now is a... The only paper I'm missing now... The only paper I'm... The only paper I'm missing now is a big blueprint.
Is it big
OMG LOL, did you seriously just ask me that question?
and blue?
Oh, for the love of all that is holy, I think I have to leave you.
This is Daddy Pig's office.
Nice.
I
I lost my data.
Hello, Daddy Pig. Did you find the papers?
No. You're fired up.